Some exciting crypto news for Dogecoin, SafeMoon, Bitcoin. Today is Saturday. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to InvestAsk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates, and forecast, of course. My name is Syed, and yeah, it's the weekend. Super happy, super excited to bring you the latest crypto news, and not only news. We're going to take a look at the bull run. It's still continuing for the last 4 days. If you have not checked out my streams a couple of days ago, please do so. We talked about Dogecoin, talked about SafeMoon, we talked about Bitcoin, and today is our weekly portfolio analysis. All right, so we're going to take a look at where we stand and how much we have gained over the last week, or since we're holding anyways, or we're hodling, right? That's the word. So we're going to take a look at our weekly portfolio analysis and see what's going on. But first, just a couple of huge breaking news that I think is pretty cool. And that's the cause of Bitcoin going up almost to 50,000 mark, right? It's going to break that. It's going to probably go up. And remember, guys, I've told this before. I'm going to tell you this again. The prediction for Bitcoin, and this was about 4 or 5 months ago. Check out my streams, all of them. We predicted that Bitcoin is going to cross $100,000 by the end of this year. Boom. There you go. I said it. I don't know. But that's, I'm still holding to it, guys. I'm still holding to it. Even though Bitcoin went all the way down to almost like less than 30,000, right? But it's back up to, let's see where it's at. 47,800, almost 48,000. So it's actually gearing up to almost touching $50,000 one more time. And if it does that, despite the China ban, despite whatever is happening, but this is crazy. Crypto is a crazy world. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and of course smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified. So we're talking about Bitcoin. Before I talk about the weekly portfolio analysis of our crypto assets that we have at InvestAsk, just a couple of breaking news. So the one that's kind of important that I just showed, which is right here, that the Securities and Exchange Commission extends decision timeline of 4 Bitcoin ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, by 45 days. So Bitcoin ETF applications are, this is just, by the way, an hour ago. This is October 2nd. This is the latest, greatest news, because InvestAsk is your number one channel for this, right? So Bitcoin ETF applications are piling up as the SEC continues weighing its options. Wall Street's most powerful regulator has once again extended the timeline on making decisions as to whether or not it will approve Bitcoin exchanges or exchange traded funds, ETFs. Now, the commission extended the deadline on 4 applications by 45 days. New deadline set by SEC, Global X Bitcoin, Trust, Valkyrie. This was a movie too, by the way. This was Operation Valkyrie. I remember that. That was pretty cool. All right, so these are the ETFs. So I think that's the reason why Bitcoin is also heading up. All right, so a couple of more news about Bitcoin. Bulls gear up for the 4th quarter showdown, and I think the 4th quarter showdown is going to be huge for Bitcoin. All right, let me set up my chat here, see what's going on, see if I'm able to pull this up. Perfect. All right, so give me a moment. I'm going to set up my chat, see all of you guys are on the chat. It's the weekend, it's Saturday, and of course we are going to take a look at our weekly portfolio analysis. So what's up, Animal World? What's up, SafeMoon Diamond? What's up, Whoop-de-doo? Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your love and support for InvestAsk, and let's get on with it. I'm going to go ahead, and of course these are a couple of important news. I want to get this out of the way because Bitcoin price also jumps after Powell says US has no plans to ban crypto. I covered this, by the way, in yesterday's live stream. If you missed that, you can go check that out. But that's pretty okay. And then the important aspect of Bitcoin jump was the fact that all of these exchanges, the top exchanges, the derivative exchanges, they had massive volumes, and that caused Bitcoin price to go up, and of course everything else follows. All right, great. Let's get on with our portfolio. Number one, Dogecoin. This is our baby since February 23rd, guys. That's when we invested in Dogecoin, way back in February, when Dogecoin was less than 10 cents, and we were thinking, well, it's highly likely that Dogecoin will hit 10 cents by the end of this year, or maybe 25 cents by the end of this year, something like that, right? But we're happy. We're at, let me update the values here as well. So I'm going to do first Dogecoin, then I'm going to show you the Bitcoin, which right here that you see on your screen. This is the latest screenshot for the Bitcoin portfolio that we have here at Coinbase. And then of course SafeMoon, and then we're still holding Promise, even though it's pretty much dead, but hey, not bad. But we'll go one at a time. So let's begin with Dogecoin. So right now, for the last week or so, this is our weekly numbers, by the way. So those of you who are new to InvestAsk, please subscribe and smash that like button, and of course the bell notification, because it's Saturday. Come on, you got to do that. All right, so this is the dates for the last week for Dogecoin, and the open, and then the highs and the lows, and of course where it closed, and the value. So if October 1st was the highest value, which it touched about 22 cents, a little higher, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just enter this value here. It's 0.224607. There we go. So that's about a profit still of about 12.5 grand, right? So 12,754. So we'll just round it up. That's about a 400% gain, 400+% gain so far. So I'm going to take this value about 12,000, say 12,500. These are just, by the way, just rough values. I don't account for the taxes. I don't account for the capital gains. And that's just too much detail. So we're going to keep it simple, right? So we know this is our profit, 12,750. I'm going to go ahead and add this to right here. By the way, last week Dogecoin profit 11,000, and this week is 12,500. Not bad. So that's Dogecoin profit. Let's go to SafeMoon. SafeMoon is at, I think that's about the same, because right now, let's see if I can pull up the chart here. Boom. This is the bull run for SafeMoon, guys. We talked about this yesterday. I streamed yesterday, even a couple of days ago, that SafeMoon has started a bull run. It's at 159768. We'll take it. It was all the way down up here when we're talking about how to buy dips, whether you should buy dips or not. Please check out my live stream, because if you've missed that, you miss out all the strategies. So we talked about those, and boom, the very next day it started to climb up, and it's still climbing up. So our profit for SafeMoon is about 3,100. That's about 2 billion. And then Promise, yeah, it's pretty much dead, even though Promise kind of went up a little bit. This is Promise, by the way. Just, hey, we have it in a portfolio, so I gotta show it. Not bad. It just kind of jumped up because the volume kind of increased a little bit, but no big deal. It's still sort of dead. Hey, so our negative 700 is the profit. Why do I have this profit? It should be a loss, right? Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So we're still down $700 in Promise. Not too bad. I mean, it's okay. It happens. It's crypto. And then Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Right here. This is Bitcoin, by the way. And what do I have in my BTC wallet? I have 35,900. So say about 36,000, right? That's the current BTC. 36,000. Oh, last week was 32,000. So hey, we made about 4,000 more this week. Not bad. Not bad. See how crypto is, right? 4 grand a week. Not bad. We'll take it. All right. So 36,000 this, and then of course I also touched base on real estate. Go check out my previous stream. I showed all the real estate that we have. One residential lot, and then of course a piece of property. So that's about 1.1. So we're about 1.2 million so far. and that's not too bad. And hopefully we still have pretty much 3 months, because today is Saturday, October 2nd, 2021, and we're looking for the whole of October, we're looking at whole November, and of course December, right? So if Dogecoin, for example, goes back to all-time high of 70 cents, SafeMoon loses a couple of zeros, or at least 1 0 after the two events, because SafeMoon Sunday is tomorrow, which I'll be covering, so stay tuned. And of course the iOS app for SafeMoon, and then promise, hey, we're at loss, it's okay, but we have it. And then Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes way up to 100,000 by December, as predicted by not only InvestDesk but many other people also predicted the same. So that's going to be a huge. So all of these three assets that we have are going to at least give us 2x, maybe 5x in the next 3 months. Well, I said it, guys. Hey, that's what historical analysis is for our portfolio here at InvestDesk, because we've been at it since February. So check out, yeah, if I just go back here, so if I take you all the way back to February, right? So right here, this is when we actually started with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin was our first crypto asset that we added. This was way back in February, and we bought it at 4 cents. Some at 4 cents, and we also bought it at 8 cents, and then I think 10 or 11 cents. But it was averaging, our dollar cost average was way down, which was not bad. Not bad at all. But crypto, yeah, it's crazy, man. Crypto is a crazy world, and I always say that. So got to do your own research, and of course, that's how we do it. That's what it is. All right, so let me go back up to today's. Perfect. There we go. So, well, there's $36,000 in our BTC wallet. We have about $3,000 in SafeMoon. We have about 12,500 in Dogecoin, which are all positive, all gains. And then, of course, I promise we just lost $700. Not bad. Hey, it's okay. It's the name of the game. All right, so let me get some comments here. What's up, everybody? It's Saturday. What's happening? All right. So SafeMoon Diamond says, hey bro, have you checked out BNB Pay yet? It literally 500x this week. Wow, that's pretty cool. And it burned 2 zeros. Check it out. It's still in its infancy, 3-month-old. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll note that down. We'll definitely take a look. All right, let's see. Shytown says, I'm still in the hole, $800 with SafeMoon. Oops. Well, hey, we're in the hole for $700 with promise. So that's all right. But hey, it's not bad. SafeMoon is actually going up, right? So if you missed the chart right here, check it out. So hopefully, if this continues, by the way, if that kind of motivates you a little bit more, Shytown, hey, not to worry, buddy. It happens. You know, everything happens in crypto, right? Everything is fair in love and crypto. Hey, that's pretty cool, isn't it, right? All right, let me know what you think about this. But yeah, I think the SafeMoon, it's still, you know, kind of correcting itself and going up, as long as whales do not sell. That's the deal. That's, you know, that's how I see it. If whales do not sell, they kind of hold it for a little while longer. SafeMoon is going to definitely go up, and it did go up. It's at 1.6, so not bad. And hopefully it go back up to 2.4 levels at the price of 2.4, and then of course 3.5, and eventually to 9.9, lose a zero, but we'll see. All right, but in any case, the positive thing here is that, of course, yeah, I call it a bull run. Hey, that's how it is. It's going to continue to go up, and that's what SafeMoon does. If it goes up, it just goes up, right? And then the whale sells. Well, hopefully they should not. Well, let's see. All right. So that's all I had. So yeah, that was a weekly portfolio. I also touched base on some breaking news regarding BTC. That's pretty cool. And of course, where is our portfolio? Right here. So we're still 1.2 million up, not bad. Overall, in total, we'll take it. And yeah, that's our total portfolio, guys. This is Dogecoin, Bitcoin, we have SafeMoon, and then we have a little bit of Promise, right? So Promise, we're negative 700 only. Thank goodness we didn't invest too much, right? I didn't invest too much. But, and by the way, Promise went all the way up to $35,000. I mean, geez, I should have sold it. No, that's all right. It happens. No remorse. And then, of course, check out the latest on BTC values. That's 48. Boom. It's crossed, yeah, 48,000. That's Bitcoin, baby. That's going to go up. That's going to touch 50,000, and it's going to continue to go. That's how it is, right? So it's 12% up for the last week. Ethereum is back to 34.40, which is about almost 19% gains for the last week. Cardano is about, yeah, 4.5% down since last week. BNB is picking up again at 434, about 25%, 24% up. And then a Dogecoin baby, of course, at 7% gains, 7+% gains, which is not bad. It's at 22.41. That's where Dogecoin is. And of course, if you recall, a few days ago, I streamed on Dogecoin where Taco Bell is thinking about accepting Dogecoin as a cryptocurrency. How cool is that? Not bad. We'll take it. All right, so this is our weekly portfolio analysis. So I think for the next at least 3 months for this last quarter, with the Bitcoin news, for example, after Powell says US has no plans to ban Bitcoin, that boosted, investor confidence, because we know that, hey, Bitcoin is here to stay. At least it's legit in the United States, even though China has banned everything. But hey, that's the name of the game, right? So we'll take this news, and of course, Bitcoin did take this news very, very positively, and it's up, right? So based on these news, we're still looking at the fourth quarter showdown, Q4. We'll see where Bitcoin ends up. But like we say, Bitcoin is geared to cross $100,000 by December. That's the prediction that has been going on since the last many months, right? For at least 4 or 5 months. But that could hold to be true. We'll see how it goes. All right, so Saturday, yep, it's the weekend, and tomorrow is SafeMoon Sunday, by the way. So I'm super excited about SafeMoon Sunday. So that's probably why SafeMoon is picking up. And if something happens tomorrow, there's some great news about SafeMoon, I think it's going to jump up even more. So like I said, don't be crying, guys. I told you. Check it out. iOS news coming up. iOS updates. Wallet updates are coming up. And of course, I'm looking forward to see SafeMoon CEO talking about the reorganization of the company, because they got a new office in Utah. That's a global corporate headquarters. And yeah, they're working on some great products and services like SafeMoon Exchange, Operation Phoenix, and of course the wallet and so on, right? All right, so Cash says you can make up your promised loss. Evergrow coin, only 6 days old. Yeah, I mean, thanks for your comment. Of course, I note all of these down, by the way, and I do my research. And of course, if I find something worthwhile, I definitely share it with you guys right here at InvestDesk. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and smash that like button, guys. Yeah, thanks so much. Thank you for your support for InvestDesk. And of course, it's the weekend. I shared the portfolio. Thank you all for the support. And not bad. We're still in the money with our portfolios right here. To summarize, $12,500 profit in Dogecoin, about 3,100 in SafeMoon, and we, by the way, we shifted SafeMoon a little bit on real estate, right here. So that's all SafeMoon, by the way, too, in one aspect or the other. And then we have negative 700 for Promise, and then of course $36,000 in our BTC wallet. All right, that's all I had. Thanks so much. Have yourself a great weekend wherever you are. I'm going to try to catch the SafeMoon Sunday tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe, smash that like button before you go, and of course the bell notification, because InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts. My name is Syed, and of course, I will see you guys